teaser image depicting the vehicle's side profile made an appearance in the background while Gordon Wagoner was talking about the EQ sub-brand. The Mercedes design boss labeled it as a little brother of the larger EQS SUV unveiled a little over a month ago. Gordon Wagoner pointed out it's going to look substantially different than the GLE, going as far as to say it'll be much sportier and sleeker while having a more aerodynamic body. The cat is pretty much out of the bag in terms of exterior design since a prototype was spotted in early May without any camouflage whatsoever. As to why it was orange, that EQE SUV likely had a date with death as we believed it was later used in a crash test. Judging from these peekaboo spy shots, it'll look less bulbous than the EQS SUV, which is to be expected given its smaller footprint. Having seen the EQE sedan, we don't really need a crystal ball to see into the future of Mercedes' next electric SUV. With the boys and girls working in a Falterbach eager to AMG all the things, you can rest assured there will be a high-performance version. In fact, a spicy prototype has already been caught on camera while undergoing testing. Technical specifications of the drivetrain should mirror those of the sedan, which offers 469 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 858 Nm, 633 pound-feet, in the 43 guys and 617 horsepower, 460 kilowatts, and 950 Nm, 700 pound-feet, if you step up to the 53 model.